If your 2019-2023 Ford Ranger displays a no key detected message, it usually means the vehicle isn't recognizing your key fob. This can happen due to a dead fob battery, a malfunctioning fob, or interference. The first thing to check is your fob's battery. A weak battery is the most common cause. Before assuming the worst, try replacing the battery with a fresh one. If the problem persists after replacing the battery, the next step is to try the methods to bypass the dead key fob detailed in the next section. When your Ford Ranger displays no key detected due to a dead or malfunctioning key fob, there's a backup method to start the vehicle. First, consult your owner's manual for the exact procedure specific to your Ranger's model year. Most Rangers have a designated spot where you can hold the fob. Locate the designated spot, often on the steering column or in the center console. This area allows the vehicle to recognize the fob even when it's not working properly. Hold the fob directly against the designated spot. Attempt to start the vehicle as usual while holding it there. This bypass method should override the no key detected message. Once successful, the engine should start normally. Remember, this is only a temporary bypass. You'll still need to fix or replace the malfunctioning key fob.